Have you heard about the matcha place in Columbus, Ohio that's gone totally viral? Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I just completed my round the world trip. 2 continents, 8 countries. So let me show you. I am walking to Matcha Me. We're gonna try this. I have a guest appearance by Chris. The location is underneath this building. It's very demure location. Very mindful staff, very cutesy decor. The menu has all kinds of matcha drinks, from the classics to some super unique flavors you gotta try. What I love is that you get to watch the staff whip up the matcha right in front of you. It's a whole show. Please subscribe to my channel because, like I said, I just finished my world tour, so there's a lot more that I'm going to share with you. You get to watch them stir the matcha with a bamboo whisk and then pour it over whatever drinks you ordered. It's such a cool experience. I believe this is the strawberry latte, and this one is a chai latte. Both with matcha, of course. They even have matcha Pop-Tarts. Now, this one is not on the menu. It's a secret. It's matcha lavender lemonade, and this is the one Chris ordered. Look at that. Glorious. I can watch this all day. It's therapeutic. Stir, 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 and let's see what Chris thinks about this one.
Yeah, it's good.
Is it sweet?
No, even with 3 pumps, it's not very sweet.
Does it taste more lavender or does it taste more matcha?
Well, I could taste the lavender, but that's because it's at the bottom and my straw was at the bottom. So I'm trying to mix it up now.
So I'm assuming it's like sour because of the lemonade, right? They put lemon in it?
It's not real sour though. I can taste lemon, but it's more matcha flavor.
And I went for the glorious, also not on the menu, lavender matcha latte with soy milk. I like it extra special. Marine waste. They recycled it into straw. Never seen that before. Okay. I got this matcha lavender latte. So let's try. First, I'm gonna try just the matcha. That's good matcha. I'm gonna go down to the lavender level. Oh my god, that's like a spa in your mouth. It's really good. That's good. And this is just 2 pumps. Normally she does 3 pumps, which is sweeter. I don't like this too sweet. This is actually perfect for me because I like very light. Definitely can come here if you are in Columbus and try it out. Okay, walking back from Matcha Me. Okay, this is actually really good. I did not have much expectation of this, I'll be honest, because it's not like Japan. But this is actually good. Like the matcha and the lavender combination is like super delicious. Super yummy. See, I still have like a layer that I haven't, kind of like the different layers. I can have my lavender or I can have my matcha. Would you rate your drink out of 10?
At least an 8.
Okay. Yeah, mine I would say 8.5 because it's pretty good. So I must say. As usual, if you like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you know somebody who lives in Columbus, or if you have a bestie who's visiting Columbus, then send them this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post soon. Oh, as I mentioned, I am a blogger, so that means I do have a blog. It's shaytravel.com. I'll put the link in the comments and description section. I do post travel deals, like discount on flights, travel guides and tips for you to check out later when you're done watching this video. Till next time, happy travels! Like the matcha and the lavender combination is like super cute. Not super cute. What I'm saying.